What's up, everybody? Jason Black 4 Claw Snow. Helping out a friend with the big mulch job today. Show you what we got going on here. We mowed a couple properties this morning. I did a lot of weed eating. I'm not really sure what the game plan is. Like I said, I'm helping a guy. That area up there done. These trees. Should I tell you what, these boys stay busy over here throwing mulch. It ain't no joking, but gotta keep up with them.
What time is it? It's honky tonk time. Beer 30, honky tonk time. Here's a little family secret my brother taught me, passed down from generations, it's a family tree. A man's gotta work, but when the work day is done, like to sit in my lawn chair and drink me some. Out in the country helps me unwind, till it's beer 30, honky tonk time. Well, those high class people don't mean nothing to me. I'm dirt poor and proud, but at least I'm free. Got a beat up truck and my old John Deere, like to run around the house in my underwire. Hey, you can call me simple, buddy, I don't mind, cause it's beer 30, honky tonk time.
Very good at all. That's the first time I've been on a stand on, and instead of messing with my GI, but actually being on them. You can see Justin's still throwing up under a tree. We got a lot of trees here. Doc's back here. I think we got 2 more yards to do after this. Doc reached out to me, man, and we was talking. He's talking about just about everything. And asked me about mulch, how I price it. I was asking about help on pricing my mulch and how to pricing for edging and different things, and he asked me to come down here and see how everything's ran, how the operation goes, how he does everything, how him and Justin work in tandem, which is really cool because someone like me in my situation where I started my business last year is my first season for spring. So people are starting to call me for mulch, and I'm just grateful for the opportunity to come down here and see how it's done and see it from a different perspective.
What's up?
Hey, who runs a better edge, you or King Brando? Uh-oh.
I don't know.
He said he's the king of all edging.
He might be, I don't know.
What do you think about that, King?
Brando's got me beat on the tricks.
Hey, he's pretty good with kicking it up in the air and catching it on the run.
I don't even know if I can do that. Let's see here.
One more time.
All right, let me try it again.
Give her help.
Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above.
Oh!
Killed my weed eater.
Killed it! Thank you, Brando. Thanks, Obama. Killed his weed eater. Thanks, Obama. Wow. All right, everybody. Shane's blowing everything off. He's down here. This yard down here, almost makes me nervous being in an area where houses are this nice to where once that weed eater head dips and you take it. Hey, my weed eating skills have dropped this winter. I don't know what it is. We see Shane. Yeah, he's back here. Yeah, my weed eating skills have dropped this year, but this is some pretty yards. He's got his relationship with his clients. Taking care of business.
What's up?
My weed eating skills have, God. But hey, I was telling these guys here, when you get on properties that are this nice, it's like you overthink things, and it's like
Sometimes I think you can, because
you know what they expect, and then you just got to do what you know you do,
Right.
and do it well. And man, you're never gonna please 100% of the people 100% of the time.
Yeah, that's the truth of it.
Look at that.
Someone learned their lesson on that one, didn't they?
Somebody bought a gas can, didn't they?
Someone bought a gas can. These new mowers, they should have unlimited fuel in these things. All right, y'all, I'm almost home. Just heading back. Worked with DLT, worked with Shane and Justin today. Had a really good day, man. We talked a lot about business and finances and ways that little tricks along the way to where like I'll spend money as I get it versus like treating it like just like business. We talked a lot about business today, man. A lot about business. When you're bidding, mulch, and edging, and just things that help me, ways that I can make a little bit more profit margins, get a little bit higher profit margins in my business. Just had a really good day. Paid me well. Didn't have to pay me anything. I refused it multiple times because I didn't go there to get paid. I went there to learn, and Shane's just a good dude, man. And here's the thing: he got caught up in a bad way and said a lot of things, did a lot of things, and he's apologized for it. Y'all know that. He's apologized for it. And I just look at myself like, am I too good to accept an apology from someone? Nope. I've done way worse to a lot of people in the real world. Not people across a fake screen like this. People in the real world. I've done a lot of bad things and was forgiven by people who should have never forgiven me for stuff way worse. Not just hurting somebody's feelings on the internet. And people forgive me like, that's the way I look at it. That's just the way I look at things. But I actually went down there, talked to him, had a good time, man. Awesome day, bought us Chick-fil-A. And his wife, Sarah, is a sweetheart. And the thing is, the most thing I took away from everything is if your house ain't in order, there's no way you can get your business in order. Him and his wife are a real team. That's the most important thing I learned today. We can talk business all we want. We can do this we can work all day together. It doesn't matter. But what I learned is what I would like to implement in my life. And me and Kayla have that relationship, but we don't know how to do it. And I seen it done today to where when they would talk about like, if I get this, is that worth 20 years later or I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's just they're a team and they always challenge each other. Instead of blowing $40 on this or that, save that $40 and invest it, or save that $40 and have it for later on in life. That's things that Shane and Sarah helped each other with, because without either one of them two coming together, neither one of them two would have all the good things that they have now. And me and Kayla can implement it and get disciplined with our spending. And unfortunately, no one can go out to eat right now. But I know before all this happened, me and Kayla used to go out to eat all the time. We were spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month and then complaining about being broke, but we're spending hundreds of dollars going out to eat. That's silly. Tell you what, them boys can throw some mulch. Them boys keeping up with Justin ain't no joke. He might not get his hair cut never, but he can throw some mulch. Tell you that. There was a salt spreader. Hey, there was a salt spreader sitting back there in a junk pile. I wonder if they would be offended if I turned around. I'm pretty sure that was a salt spreader. Hold on, let me flip this camera around.
See that?